Was there any point where in all your time in space, was there any point where you heard some sound and you're like, this is it, like this, like you froze for a moment and like you got scared?
No, I wouldn't say that. I think we were all a little on edge in this latest flight when we had a satellite below us in orbit explode or disintegrate or something, and then there was a bit of a debris field. And so we were woken up in the middle of the night to all go to our own spacecraft. It's called Safe Haven, because they weren't sure whether or not the debris would hit the space station. So we had about 45 minutes, and the funny part about that is we all met at the bathroom essentially one last time to go to the bathroom on the, as I call it, the big hotel in space, because the spacecraft are sort of like a little camper, so they don't have really good bathrooms on the spacecraft. And so it was like, take advantage of, okay, I've got 45 minutes, what am I going to do? I'm going to go to the bathroom, I'm going to get some water, hug my friends, say goodbye. That was a little bit surreal situation, I think.